Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my homepage if you'd like to learn more. So anyways, last night in the Asian session, the Aussie dollar finally did break this high right here, which is the structure level from the higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up. Now, I am definitely very bullish on this. I think that we are definitely still either in an A or one. I personally think it's a wave one of A, which means eventually we may get a pretty significant pullback for a wave two. Most wave A's or wave ones do end after the break of structure, so we could get the end of this wave A or wave one possibly this week. Definitely doesn't have to happen now, and it may even be more likely that it goes up to the 61% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame. So I'm definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend. Just keep an eye on it because if it does make a nice solid break of structure at some point this week, then I probably would start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks because then I would probably expect to see a pretty big ABC correction for like a wave two, and this whole move up would potentially be like a wave one. But like I said, it definitely doesn't have to happen now, and it could drift up even beyond this 61%. So I would definitely still recommend longs, at least until we get that significant break of structure to the downside, which we don't have yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.